Hi everyone, it's James Clausen here, CTO at Genesis Robotics, and I'm here with Mike Hilton, the CEO of Genesis Robotics. And typically we're sitting here doing tech moments.
That's right.
That's been a great experience and super fun. And we are fortunately and unfortunately discussing something very different today, which we're both sad and excited about. And Mike, do you want to just tell people a little bit about what's happening in your life?
Yeah, sure. I mean, obviously the last year has been phenomenal here at Genesis Robotics, and we've accomplished a lot with the organizations that we've interacted with, the people that have watched our videos, have come to our trade shows, have visited us here in the office, and we've built tremendous relationships across the robotics and industrial automation industries. We're going through a transition as an organization, and we're now getting ready to move to the commercialization phase for Live Drive. And with that, the timing is right for a change in leadership. And so I'm taking the opportunity to go back to Microsoft, where I spent 10 years, and continue my journey with that organization while still holding a very strong interest in what goes on here at Genesis Robotics.
So Mike, as you think about the last year and what Genesis was when you first came on board and where it's got to in that very short period of time, what are some of the memories that come to you about, the challenges as well as the achievements?
I could tell right away it was very innovative technology, it was a very innovative team. But we had never shared it with anybody outside the building. Genesis had been a research and development organization, and we hadn't wanted anybody to see it for IP protection reasons. And so to have spent that first couple of months getting ready to show the world at Hanover, when we decided, okay, that was going to be the big launch party, if you will, and what then came from that was 9 months of global travel. And the list went on, and it was really remarkable to see the level of engagement, but also the sustainment of that engagement.
You mentioned the team, and the team has grown dramatically since the time that you've been here. Do you want to talk a little bit about that process and how incredible this group of people are?
When I first started, there was 26, 27 people. We're now up over 60 people in the last 11, 12 months. And the quality of people that have come into the organization has been amazing. The talent, the passion, the energy. You look for people that know what they're doing, but to get that plus contribute to the overall ethos of the organization, the overall culture of the organization, that has been a really phenomenal thing to see.
How do you see that fitting into the way that Genesis Robotics moves forward now into this brand new, completely different landscape, potentially of robotics, in part enabled by the fact that we have this actuator now that can provide the speed and the safety at the cost that makes it possible to bring this into every home?
You really have an opportunity to capture market share, capture imagination, capture people's attention very quickly. And I think that positions Genesis very well, not only in the context of being backed by a great business and being a good business yourself, but also what's happening in the industry around us and the markets for Live Drive.
Yeah, it seems like the time is right for all of these things to converge, and so it's just a very exciting wave to be on. And Mike, I know I speak for everyone that we are super excited for you for your new opportunity, and we're looking forward to seeing what you do at Microsoft, but we're also very sad that you're going to be moving on, and we appreciated so much everything that you've done to help build Genesis, the team, just our image, and help the technology move from a conceptual stage to proving that it's about to change robotics.
Thank you.
All right.